What's up, everyone? This is Justin with Forbes, Hever, and Wallace. We are in the test kitchen today for another episode of Question du Jour, where we do our best to answer a frequently asked question. And today's question is, which scrubbie is best for the jobbie? In all seriousness, there are a wide variety of scrubbing and scouring pads, and it can be confusing to decide which one to use, whether you're an operator, which one to stock if you are a food service dealer, or which one to order if you work in purchasing. So without any further ado, let's take a look at a few options. First up is the Contour Pad by Disco Products. This is a thinner pad that can clean virtually any surface without scratching. It's shaped to fit the palm of your hand. It has 4 corners for cleaning hard to reach places, and can be used on a wide variety of kitchen equipment, pots and pans, countertop surfaces, basically anything, and it won't scratch. Speaking of pots and pans, I've got a great scrubber for you. The Pot and Pan Scrubber by Disco Products is a hand-sized, very abrasive scrubber. Its mission in life is to find the toughest jobs and hard to reach places and clean them up. These are very popular in processing plants and high-use industrial kitchens. Think big old pots of chili. Bottom line, whatever the task is, this scrubber can get it done. Now this is a scrubber that we need to talk about. Why? Well, besides red being my favorite color, this is actually a plastic scrubber by Disco Products. It has a little bit more of a deft touch and is designed to use on china, stainless, and popular non-stick surfaces. This also does a great job at removing melted cheese, which anyone will tell you takes more than a smile. This scrubber here is something that you definitely want to have in your metaphorical hip pocket. And last but not least is one that we all recognize, the classic stainless steel scrubber by Disco Products. But this one has a few tricks up its sleeve. First, it's made with high-grade stainless with 4-sided strands. Next, it's made from a single strand of stainless. Now what that means is it's not going to splinter or tear. Also, this will not rust or corrode. And this can be used for a wide variety of pots and pans, countertop surfaces, all the tough, nasty jobs that you have to deal with in the kitchen. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this week's episode of Question du Jour, where we did our best to answer a frequently asked question that we get. And today's question was, what's the best scrubbie for the jobbie? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.